Welcome back. In today's episode, we are going to learn about Python decorators, a powerful concept that lets you enhance or modify the behavior of functions without changing their original code. Don't worry if it sounds complicated. By the end of this video, you'll understand it in a beginner friendly way. What is a decorator? A decorator is a function that takes another function and extends its behavior without modifying it directly. Think of it like a gift wrapping a present. The gift is the original function and the wrapping adds extra feature. This allows us to add functionality, clean and reuse. Why use the decorators? Decorators are super useful for code reuse. Apply the same behavior to multiple functions. Clean and readable code. No need to modify existing functions repeatedly and adding extra functionality, locking, authentication, timing, etc. Basically, decorators help you write smarter Python code. Functions in Python. We just have a recap. Before we dive into decorators, remember that in Python, functions are first class objects. This means you can pass functions and arguments to another functions. Let's see an example for this. Here we have assigned the function greet to function and then call it. This ability is key to understanding the decorators. Let's run it. It will give us hello. Okay. So let's see how a decorator works. A decorator works like wrapping a function. You have the original function, the decorator wraps it, and then the enhance function runs. Visually, it's like putting your function inside a wrapper and then that adds an extra behavior. Basic decorator example. We'll just try to run this code. See, we have defined it and see say hello is wrapped by the decorator. When we call say hello, it prints before hello, it prints before, if you can say it before hello and after. The original function didn't change, but its behavior got enhanced. Let's see our next slide. It's decorator with parameters. Functions can take parameters and decorators can handle them too. Using args and allows the decorator to accept any number of arguments, keeping it flexible. Chaining the decorators. You can also apply multiple decorators to single function called chaining. Here decorator 2 wraps the function first and then decorator 1 wraps the result. This lets you stack behavior neatly. This we have just taken a real life example. Let's run this into our Visual Studio Code. Here the decorator measures how long the function takes to run. Very practical for optimization. So let's recap. Decorators modify or enhance functions without changing them. They keep code clean and reusable, can handle functions with parameters, and can be chained for multiple behaviors. In next lecture, we'll dive deep into the decorators and we'll understand in a better way. Thank you.